Once a taboo topic, it is becoming increasingly apparent that consideration of a student's mental health is crucial to ensuring the well-being of students. Neglecting mental health can lead to a decline in students' overall wellness and academic performance. As parents, you have the power to support your child's mental well-being. Today, we're going to discuss some of the effective strategies to enhance your child's mental health. Before we jump into it, make sure to like, follow, and comment if you enjoy. And make sure to check out our other TenneyTube video here where we discuss the differences between AP and dual credit classes. While school is undoubtedly important, it should not be the reason for students to toil tirelessly without taking a moment to breathe. Extensive research suggests that students experience significantly less stress when they incorporate regular breaks into their study routine. The advantages of taking breaks are limitless. Not only do these intervals contribute to the enhancement of your child's mental well-being, they also aid in better retention of information and stimulate creativity. It is crucial to understand that mental and physical health are interconnected. Therefore, when your child takes appropriate breaks during their study or homework sessions, they not only allow themselves more time to relax, but they also promote overall better health. Additionally, these breaks provide ample opportunity for engaging in healthy activities such as exercise and hobbies, further enhancing their well-being. The duration of time your child can focus on before needing a break can vary. It's important to pay attention to your child's attention span and let it guide you. For elementary school students, it might be necessary to take breaks every 10 to 15 minutes. This is completely acceptable. Allow your child to truly unwind and detach during these break periods so that they can refocus and get back to work afterwards. When students allow their workload to accumulate, it can have a detrimental effect on their mental and physical well-being. The pressure of having a large amount of work to complete in short amounts of time can be incredibly stressful. To ensure that your child has a positive academic experience, it is important to assist them in developing strong time management skills. They need to understand that waiting until the last minute to finish their assignments is not a viable option. Completing work at the last minute often results in underperformance, which can lead to decreasing confidence and feelings of sadness. On the other hand, when students complete their work as it is assigned, they are able to work at their full potential, which boosts their self-esteem because they know they have given their best effort. Sometimes students may benefit from additional support in their academic journey. If they face challenges in specific subjects, it can hinder their performance in assessments, which can have a negative impact on their overall well-being. Therefore, offering students regular tutoring sessions can greatly contribute to their success in school. As students start to excel academically, their mental health is likely to improve. Parents can play a pivotal role in supporting their child's education by enlisting the help of a qualified tutor like ours at TenneyTutors.com. Research from youth.gov suggests that a significant number of students, up to 20%, may have diagnosable mental health conditions, while many others struggle with symptoms such as depression and anxiety. It is crucial for your child to prioritize their mental well-being, especially in today's high-stress school environment. In conclusion, it is the utmost importance to pay attention to the signs of stress and anxiety in students. The most effective ways to understand their situation is by engaging in an open and honest conversation, asking them how they truly feel. Take the time to listen and inquire about their needs. Always keep in mind that mental health is a priority and should never be overlooked. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in to today's episode of TenneyTube. If you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to give us a like, comment, and subscribe for more. Be sure to also hit that bell icon to be notified anytime we go live with a new video.